Hello coders, in this video we are going to learn how to host e-commerce website online. So without wasting the time, let's start. First of all, we'll click on this link. The link is given in the description. You can check out from there. So first of all, we need to click on e-commerce and then download it. Download all the source code. The source code will be downloaded in the zip format. So we just wait for a few seconds. The download is been process. Okay, it's downloaded as you can see here. Right now, after that, we will locate the file. So here is the file. Now what we need to do is we need to extract this. Extract all. Extract. Okay, now it will take a few seconds to extract all the files. Just for wait for seconds. Okay, so our extraction is being completed. Now here you can see the extracted file. We'll rename it as e-commerce 2. Okay, for distinct name. Okay, now what we'll do is we'll just click on it, and after that we have to upload this folder on the internet, right? So we'll again open the Chrome browser and open a new tab here, and we'll type here hostinger.com and click enter. And after some times we'll click on login here, right here. Wait for a few seconds. It will, if you have not registered, then please register it. Okay, I hope you know the registration and login process. Okay, so I have not doubt that. So after that you visit the website section here, right? And if you have not bought the domain, you can buy the domain from here. Now hostinger.com. I have already bought one domain. Now I am not buying any domain. If you buy one domain, means you can create a multiple multiple websites with a different subdomains. Okay, so I'm going to create one more website. Already 3 websites are here, so I'll click on empty php, and here I will take one subdomain. So subdomain will be e-commerce. Okay, e-commerce dot trendsxyz.com. trendsxyz.com. So it is telling, yeah, it's available. Click on it and just press on next, and after that it will take a few seconds to initialize these settings, and all set. Now okay, now they have provided us a file manager and database section. So we first deal with the file manager section. So click on the file manager section and it will load the file manager section, and just wait. And okay, so here we have to upload the file public.html in a public.html folder, and you cannot upload the file over here, right? And one more thing, you cannot upload a folder. If you upload a folder inside a folder, means the directory will be long and it is not conventional. So what we need to do is we need to open our located folder, and will not upload the folder directly. What we'll need to do is we'll copy this all. Okay, whatever is mentioned, just copy it. So what we need to do is minimize this, and we will click on this public HTML, and we will say Control A. Okay, and Control A, and just drag it like this. Let's see it will drag or not. Okay, copy. I think something wrong happened. Okay, let's see. It is okay. We will just click here. Okay, now the files are been uploaded, as you can see here. So let it upload. Now 46 files are there, so let it upload. Okay. So 19 files. Okay, all the files are being uploaded. So our first part is been completed successfully. Now the second part is of the database part. Just click on the database and write the database name as e-commerce app, and the root will be changed to root 3, because I've already taken root 1 and root 2. And password I'll show you. You can take any random password. I have taken say 1 2 3 4 5. You can take accordingly. So we'll create this. So after that, database successfully created. So we'll move to the Inter PHP My Admin section. Here you can see a detailed database right here. Okay, now after that, close this. Okay, you can see here the e-commerce app been uploaded, but this is only a database. There are no tables available. So how you will get the table? You will just click on the import section. Okay, import section. The import section, you click on choose file and just wait. Okay, so in a download section and in a same e-commerce view section, there must be a file. Okay, so e-commerce, we are searching for the SQL file here. So where is the SQL file? Here, e-commerce app. Just open it. Okay, after opening, just press on the import section. Just import it. Yeah, your all the tables are being executed and been transferred to the online. Now it's done. Now our both the parts are being completed. Now we'll move back to the main part once again. That is a website section. Now let's see if the website works or not. It should not work because we haven't linked yet. We have completed the uh, file manager part and the database part, but we have not linked both of them. Okay, so as you can see here, it's loading and loading and nothing is being displayed, right? So what we'll need to do is we'll again go here, and after this we'll go in a database section once again, dashboard section, and here we'll go in a file manager section, and in a file manager section you are being redirected to the file area. So just wait for a few seconds. Now okay, now click on public HTML, and here you can see here config file. You just click on that, and in a constants.php you have to make changes here. So localhost will be localhost, root will be root 3 because we have taken a root 3. Password should be what we have taken a password in Sayyid 1 2 3 4 5. You can take password what password you have taken while creating database. You have to create the same password here also. And in the app section we are provided with the e-commerce app, but this is not the correct way. Here we are not dealing with the local host and the local e-commerce app, so we have to take the database from here. So what the database suggests, we have to take that. So in the database section we have to write this one along with the ID. We cannot write directly e-commerce, so we'll visit here. Okay, we'll visit this section, and in the database section we'll write this one. Let me okay, e-commerce app. Now this ID and then e-commerce app. Now at the same time we will again move to the same tab and we'll copy this root 3, and instead of root 3 we are not writing root 3 here. Now what we are writing here, ID and then root 3, then paste it. Okay, and in password the same password as we have created during the database creation. So we'll simply save it. Okay, and now we'll refresh this once again. As you can see here, the database is being successfully connected to our files, that code. Okay, now we'll test. So to test this, we'll go in a login section and we'll write the username and password given here. So user info is Sayed Khan, and the password is I have taken the password, so I know. So email is Sayed Khan 205. That email I will write here, Sayed Khan 205, right? So we'll write here 205, and in the password section, and the password is also created encrypted, so the password is this. Just log in. Yes, it is working successfully, that's why we are able to log in. Hi Sayed, right? And two cards are there, as you can see here. So show in Bitcoin. Okay, it is working perfectly. Okay, as you can see here, and the product price are there, right? Quantity is there. You can directly check out also. You can see here, continue shopping, then all the things are again reset automatically. You can see here the price of Bitcoin is here, right? It will adjust according to the real Bitcoin price. Okay, if you again refresh in after 20 seconds, then it will, the value will definitely be changed. Okay, this is the new featured app. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. I will be creating this type of video for you if you support me, guys. Okay, thank you.